Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wianda Priliawati Yusuf. I'm a student in 3 semester in class D. And I would like to present my analysis task with constituency test to fulfill the last project to syntax course. First of all, an explanation of movement test and substitution test. First, movement test. Movement test is a method to test whether a group of words in a sentence can be moved to another position without changing its meaning or grammar. The second is substitution test. Substitution test is a method to replace a group of words with a substitution word or phrases such as a pronoun or auxiliary verb to identify that the group of words is a constituent. Number 1. The boy plays in the park. Movement test. In the park, the boy plays. In the park can move, so it is constituent. Substitution test. The boy plays there. In the park can replace with there, so it is constituent. And here the tree diagram. Number 2, the teacher gives a book to the student. Movement test. To the student, the teacher gives a book. To the student can move, so it is constituent. Substitution test. She gives it to him. The teacher can replace with she. A book can replace with it. To the student can replace with him, so it is constituent. And here the tree diagram. Number 3. She cooked a delicious meal yesterday. Movement test. Yesterday, she cooked a delicious meal. Yesterday can move, so it is constituent. Substitution test. She cooked it then. A delicious meal can replace with it. Yesterday can replace with then, so it is constituent. And here the tree diagram. Number 4. They are running in the field. Movement test. In the field, they are running. In the field can move, so it is constituent. Substitution test. They are running there. In the field can replace with there, so it is constituent. And here the tree diagram. Number 5. My sister bought a new dress at the mall. Movement test. At the mall, my sister bought a new dress. At the mall can move, so it is constituent. Substitution test. She bought it there. My sister can replace with she. A new dress can replace with it. At the mall can replace with there, so it is constituent. And here the tree diagram. Number 6. The dog barked loudly in the yard. Movement test. In the yard, the dog barked loudly. In the yard can move, so it is constituent. Substitution test. The dog barked loudly there. In the yard can replace with there, so it is constituent. And here the tree diagram. Number 7. I will meet you at the cafe. Movement test. At the cafe, I will meet you. At the cafe can move, so it is constituent. Substitution test. I will meet you there. At the cafe can replace with there, so it is constituent. And here the tree diagram. Number 8. The children were playing near the river. Movement test. Near the river, the children were playing. Near the river can move, so it is constituent. Substitution test. The children were playing there. Near the river can replace with there, so it is constituent. And here the tree diagram. Number 9. John likes reading books in his free time. Movement test. In his free time, John likes reading books. In his free time can move, so it is constituent. Substitution test. John likes it then. Reading books can replace with it. And here the tree diagram. Number 10. The girl danced gracefully on the stage. Movement test. On the stage, the girl danced gracefully. On the stage can move, so it is constituent. Substitution test. She danced gracefully there. The girl can replace with she. On the stage can replace with there, so it is constituent. And here the tree diagram. That's all for me. Thank you.